Rix Top Six, party time, excellent. Okay, is anyone left after my horrible singing? That's right, I'm tone deaf. I can't carry a tune, and according to my kids, I can't even pick a good radio station. But that was my little homage to Wayne's World. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's top 6 is going to be the top 6 nighttime rides at Magic Kingdom. Let's go check them out. But before we do that, I have a decision: ferry boat or monorail. Looks like a boat just left, so I'm thinking monorail today. Okay guys, judging by the fact that I still have my sunglasses on, it's not quite dark enough to do Rix Top 6 nighttime rides just yet. So let's do a little clock time wipe right now, and suddenly it'll be time to do the rides. Okay guys, while it's not exactly dark, I just couldn't wait any longer. Let's head inside, start having some fun. Let's walk down Main Street here and check out the lights. They're already on, so it's dark enough. Let's get going. As I make my way to my first fast pass, gotta pause. Let's take a look at Cinderella's castle with this sunset. Pretty amazing. And FYI guys, I am filming this out of order based on fast passes that I have. So if it's darker earlier, lighter later and such, that's the reason why. Okay, number 6 on our list. Let's start with the People Mover. After all, it's an elevated ride, so we're gonna get some amazing views, the bright lights, the neon glow of Tomorrowland, and off in the distance, Cinderella's castle can be seen. And also, we're gonna get a little better view of the details in Space Mountain because our eyes are gonna be adjusted to the darkness, so we'll pick up some details we wouldn't catch in the daytime. And number 5 on our list, Prince Charming's Carousel. Now this made the list first of all because of its location, right in the heart of Fantasyland, right behind Cinderella's castle. We're gonna get some great views. And then also the lights that are on this ride. Now I meant to ask Google, because between me and Google we know everything, but I forgot to ask Google before I came how many lights are on this ride. And add to the fact that this is a relatively short wait time at night, it's a good choice for number 5 for our list. So when riding the carousel, look for the pony with the gold ribbon on the tail. That is considered to be Cinderella's pony. So the carousel is actually going to close in a couple days, but all of this scrim should be down in August sometime. Coming in at number 4 on our list is going to be the Jungle Cruise, because it has to be a little bit scarier going through the jungle at night. But even though the skippers keep up their comedy routine through the nighttime ride as well, there's just a little bit mystery involved in the darkness. Coming in at number 3 on our list of the best nighttime rides at Magic Kingdom, the Astro Orbiter. Now while this is just a simple spinner ride, look how high up it is. It's as if we're riding through space or the future here in Tomorrowland. We're going to catch all the bright lights and the neon glows of Tomorrowland from the Astro Orbiter, just a little bit higher up than we were in the People Mover. Now this attraction gets bonus points if you're able to ride it during the fireworks. In fact, it would even move up to number 1 if you catch it during the fireworks. So guys, my timing was a bit off. I was really trying to get that Astro Orbiter as the fireworks were going off. A consolation was that I did get on the People Mover when they were going off. That bumps up the People Mover a little bit, but the Astro Orbiter would have been perfect. Number 2 on our list, Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain, just a little more fun at night. If you're brave enough, keep your head up and your eyes open, and you're gonna catch a glimpse of Cinderella Castle, and Space Mountain. Be brave, people. And number 1 on our list, Big Thunder Mountain.
The wildest ride in the wilderness!
And guys, that's going to do it for our list today. I'm sorry about the weird transition. As soon as we were on Big Thunder Mountain, it started to rain, and it rained all the way through the transportation center until we got in the car, and finally, as I'm driving on the 429 to get home, it stopped raining. But anyway guys, that's Rix Top 6 Nighttime Rides at Magic Kingdom. Big Thunder Mountain number 1. Let me know what you guys think of the list. If you would add something, take something off, place something else at number 1, please let me know. And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix, and now it's time to relax.